Look at Dylan with his new reader.
To use as your avatar.
Are you listening to what they're saying, Dylan, or are you just picking anything?
I'm just picking anything.
These are my side pieces.
Yeah. Don't we have those?
Nope. They're different ones. They're just dark denim.
I was beat, man. Now when you go to our house, you're gonna see Dylan playing with McDonald's. He's gonna start serving you chicken nuggets. Right, Dylan?
There are no items in your backpack. Download items from the website, connect to the computer, and follow the instructions.
Say, where's my gifts for my Theo? Say, where's my Theo's gifts? Did you even call your brother to say like Merry Christmas or anything like that? What about today?
I've been called to night, son.
Mommy, can you set this off for me?
I don't even know how to use that.